Police now pan a whole of some people them where you have to respect. Number one, you have to respect everybody, but police then demand a different type of respect because them claim say them a peace officer. And Jamaica police now, before me start elaborate on them, I go say, me not too personally have no problem with them still, because you know, you have good cop and you have bad cops. So, you know, so when you talk, you can't really just generalize then or whatever. And market, you know, me have some police where me rate. Cause like me say, good cop, bad cop. Me have some police where me rate. And everybody have them police bridging with them rate too. And you don't know the thing go. Rate pencil. And me not gonna lie, when I time I come to Jamaica and hear say Silas Oakley police, and me have to say, Bumbo Clot, Daddy Dogton police. I say, really? Yeah. So we grew up with some little people, and when you look, you see them turn police, you have to really, you know, congrat them. Could use the word, because you know it's a nice little job, and everybody have the guts to do it. Cause me couldn't turn police, cause all when somebody shoot me, know me couldn't shoot them back. If me have a gun, can't shoot them. So me know that enough for me. So me know when a man say alright, a police route, me I go it take a brave if you do it. But Jamaica police now one problem me have with them. They don't know how to talk to people and how to deal with people. And deal with people like people are animal, and me not like it. Me don't know if when they got training school and then train, because I never got training school yet for know. If they just tell them, say, alright, I want to graduate and go up on the road now, I don't just start dealing with people like them, an animal. Because to how me see them operate more time, it really not fi go so. Alright, so for example now, me get to come on one other place now and live in America and see police and the system here. And that worse can make you can't have an idea on the right way how it figure different from the wrong way then. Alright, everywhere you have bad boys. Just like how Jamaica have boy abundant ganja, same way you have in a foreigner boy abundant weed. Just like how you have thief, there's a thief there everywhere. And police have to come in contact with them all the while, because that's a for them job. But when you find say a police, even say for example, pull over a person in America, yeah, and even if them suspects say alright, them people you might did a smoke weed or them a smoke weed. The first thing they must say, could you step out of the car, sir? And you've been smoking. You mind if I search your car, or if I search your car, you think I may find something? Do you know, at them type of way, they don't care how the somebody a tough up face and whatever, because very rare you go find a somebody where go do no wicked, or go say them will jump on a police and them will fight, or them will go shoot for police. It ain't mean about not often. But Jamaican police now, the route where they take us, them pull over, yo, no come out of your car, ganja in your car, hey. Man, know you run off your face, you know, for me, you something all bust up your face, you know. How you do not smoke, boy? I mean, come on. It not take all of that. It really not take all of that. Me not really like it at all. It make it just come like me overall and know if me like police or not. I mean, even want to pre them with because, like me say, they are good cops. You no need to take the route, the man. Me know say, alright, it come like from police school, go on and a ton copy just come like, is a different piece of strength and one power on to feel like really come down over on. But for really, you have to put yourself in other people's position, man. And even if somebody is a known offender, that still no means the type of treatment they fi under. Because just like in a fire, they don't care how them a known offender, and must you as the person are going out of control to make them try to go on certain way. You have to deal with people with respect, man. Just like how no demand respect, as so people demand respect. Tell people the law make them know, the law make them know what they have to do, and they have to do it in a kind of like they have to do it. But Jano, if it just start off like say alright, yeah, deal with boy, enough time on all the police, on all the civilian them, I see a age, or with our big people, but I just total disrespect. Boy, this and that and that and that, cooler for them meds, man. It really not look good. The whole of we are human being, and nobody no want to be treated in type of way.